Hi, my name is Cindy, and it is time for the 12 Days of Christmas. This is an open playlist to show off your Christmas item for 12 days. I am going to show you 2 ornaments that will get you started on the 12 Days of Christmas, because you see, today is all about ornaments. The supplies needed include reptile adhesive, an eye hook, Christmas scrapbook paper, jute, greenery, white acrylic paint, a paper cutter or scissors, red velvet ribbon, an ornament top, and hot glue. DIY number 1 is a Christmas present ornament. So let's get started. So the first thing you do is you get your wooden block. You need that. That is going to be your little present. So you're going to paint the wooden block white. And after you paint it white, you just look in your stash, or you might want to go to the store and pick up a piece of scrapbook paper. I chose one that was red, kind of old-fashioned looking, but wait till you see what I do with it. So after it dried, then I took the paper and I cut it, put some on the top and the bottom and all the way around the sides. And I glued that on with reptile adhesive because, it's really good. You got to try it. It's the best. You have to make it look like it's an old-fashioned present because the paper is old-fashioned. So what I did was I took some brown paint and just kind of went all around it so that it ended up looking like it was an old piece of paper. After I did that, I found some red velvet ribbon. And I put it all around each of the sides because, hey, it's a present. And I glued that on. Then I put some greenery on there. And I had an ornament top, and I just hot glued that to the top. Now for the hanger, all I did was I got some jute, cut it to size, and I hung it. Just hang it on your tree, and it looks so cute. I'd like for you to try it, and when you do, be sure to tag me and let me see what you've done. The 12 Days of Christmas is hosted by Rustic and Lace and Krista's Crafty Life. These are 2 sweet and kind women who are great crafters. So please subscribe, like, save, and comment. The link to their channels is in the description box below. In addition, there are other super creators that have made some ornaments today. Check them out and show them some love. The playlist is in the description box below. By the way, my name is Cindy, aka Z9Designs. I want you to please hit that subscribe button. Show me some love and let me know which one was your favorite. And I haven't forgotten the prize I was going to give. I will announce the winner. So let's move on to our last one. The next one is kind of unusual, but really cool. So the supplies you need for this one are some tacks, and I could only find some silver ones in the Dollar Tree, but I'm gonna show you what I did with them. Some gold spray paint, some leather cording, a wooden bead, a round wood top, styrofoam ball, some Mod Podge, black acrylic paint, and a drill. So the first thing you need is to paint the styrofoam ball black and just let it dry. And it may take a little bit because it's a little slightly absorbent. Then you start inserting the thumbtacks into the styrofoam. Now, you can hot glue some of them in if they try to fall out, but unless the styrofoam has a lot of holes in it, you don't have to do that. So I started in the middle, went all the way around the middle. Then I put them in the top and the bottom. And it doesn't matter. You can start at the top or you can start at the bottom. Once that was all completed with all of the thumbtacks in it, and that took a little bit, I took it outside and sprayed it gold and let it dry. So now it was on to add some character to it. So what I did is I took a flat round piece of wood and drilled a hole in the middle of it. And then I had some leather cording, which was in my stash, and I just took that and threaded that through the bead and the flat piece of wood, made a knot at the other end, and just hot glued that to the ornament. This is looking so cool. I hung it on the tree and it looks so bohemian. In fact, I was inspired by one of the bohemian YouTubers, Katya. So check out to see what she's done. Thanks for watching my channel. It brings me joy. Make sure you subscribe, like, save, and comment. Also, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And remember, joy comes from serving others. And since it is November, I want to wish all of my subscribers and all of my YouTube friends in all of the collaborations a very, very happy birthday. Thank you. I'll see you later. Bye.